Kamigalaya Trinamool Youth Congress Hakakatsan Unaitung Araja Arpuar, Kalakhat Laweri Samla Kajala Megalaya, Bandrung Shakani Kaseng Sain Perthay. Habakrim Klapatai Kubor President Kaseng Uba Fernandez Sakar, Ulong Baka Trinamool Congress, Kadan Kajingtu, Ban Pendrung Kumbashi Hajar Wood Kisamla, Hamala Kaway Pakaway constituency. Ulong Badaka Surjan Kisamla, on La Bankado, Yaki Jingle Bakala, Jong Kasorkar.
We have been in the fray of politics since when I have been 16 years in politics. So we are trying to target at least maximum of 1,000 youth from minimum 1,000 youth from each and every constituency.
If you're looking at the current situation, what is happening in the state, I think there's a lot of deficiency. Our youths are being deprived. So to bring about a change, I think we have to be the change ourselves first. We can see thousands of vacancies and thousands of our youths being unemployed right now. So, like I've said, I think to bring about a change, we have to be the change ourselves first. So we would like to once again invite our youths to be the change ourselves first.
We have seen in your coverage also that even the party within the government itself, they are blaming each other. See, there is one Facebook page which was run by, I guess, by the BJP, Meghalaya with Modi. They are questioning the corruption done by this government, and they are still in the path of the government. What is really amused with them? They are the part of the government and they are questioning the government. So they have been playing to their lip service for so many years now. It has been 4.5 years. So I don't know that na khane dunga na khaunga, that campaign by our Honorable Prime Minister is just a lip service, it seems. They have seen the corruption is going rampant in Meghalaya. The construction of each and every building is in shady and shoddy manners. I don't know why they cannot send an investigation team after so many. And now today I just read in it is a partial investigation has been placed of that doom, which the doom of assembly has collapsed. So we'll take this, we'll take on the street also. When it's demand, we will give you the proper information when and where to do all the protests also.